And here we go for Goob. It's going to be the 2012-13 Panini Rookie Anthology Hockey. Goob, good luck, and let's get to breaking. Postman, if that was the case, I'd be buying all of it, so there wouldn't be any left for you. There's not a 10-box mixer. It's the 10-case Brilliance basketball break. It should be under the basketball section down below there for you, Mike. 10 cases worth of Panini Brilliance basketball. All right, we got the Max Suave Prism card, Prism rookie, Boston Bruins. No problem, Mike. And we've got the Bobby Hull Contenders Legacies, $5.99 of $9.99. We've got the Great Outdoors Acetate Pavel Datsyuk, $2.14 of 500. Boss, if you break the products there at the different booths, they give you wrapper redemption items. And the only way to get those is to be at the show itself. What will happen is we'll take those boxes that you order up there, we'll get those things broken live for you and get those wrapper redemptions. So you can actually participate without being there. Get some bonus cards there for your boxes. Here we've got the Matt Clark Rookies Die Cut Anaheim Ducks at 77 of 100. So it's a pretty sweet deal. Gives you guys the opportunity who aren't going to make it to the National to take advantage of picking up the cool stuff without being there. Gotta love the internet indeed. Yeah, definitely, boss. You'll get the silver packs from Panini with your break, whatever, however many there were that are specified for that product that you got. So we've got the Jake Gardner Bronze Metallic Marks autograph card, Toronto Maple Leafs. Postman, no baseball on tap just yet here. I know you. I think you picked up a. What all did you pick up? I think you got another one of the Just Minors photos, and what else did you get there, Postman? I saw you got a couple things. Got those coming up after ice fishing, I think. We've got the Gabriel Dumont Montreal Canadiens rookie. This is 153 of 999. And we've got the Mikhail Grabovski for the Toronto Maple Leafs on the game-worn gear. And another game-worn gear, Artem Anisimov from the New York Rangers, traded there or signed as a free agent by the Columbus Blue Jackets. Tried to say Columbus Blue Jays. Postman's got me thinking about baseball here over Breakers TV while I'm breaking hockey. We've got the Tuukka Rask Vezina Contenders, 393 of 999 on that one. And we've got the Zdeno Chara Towering Defenders jersey card. Cool looking card right there. 2 packs to go here for Goop. We've got the Evander Kane Winnipeg Jets Cup Contenders, $5.39 of $9.99. And we got a sweet hit here. Ryan Hamilton, good guys. Do I need to put out a big hit call on it, Goob? Apparently, nope. All right, it's going to be the Ryan Hamilton. Goob's looking it up. May have a big hit call pending here. Hold on, guys. We'll find out. This is going to be the Ryan Hamilton dual patch autograph rookie treasures, 23 of 50. Yeah, boss, I tend to agree with you there. We'll find out, though. Okay, no big hit call on that one. Nice looking card, though. Just wanted to check because the guy didn't know, but I don't know a ton of hockey, so there you go. Because we've got the Derek Law Dallas Stars. He got traded to, but he's pictured in his Buffalo Sabres uniform on the Game Gear jersey. Undrafted prospect there on that Ryan Hamilton. Well, hopefully somebody picks him up there and that card becomes a good one for you. Real nice looking card with those dual patches. Good, appreciate you breaking live with us here on Breakers TV.